Qantas has waved goodbye to its final Boeing 747, ending almost half a century of history with the type. With international flights still restricted from Australia and likely to stay that way for some time, the flying kangaroo is in no rush to replace the Queen of the Skies. However, replacements will be needed eventually, as Qantas can't survive on domestic flights forever. As such, we thought it would be interesting to take a look at what will replace the Qantas 747s and how they'll stand up to the job. Qantas has a total of 11 Boeing 787-9s in its fleet. It has 3 more firmly on order and options for others, but the airline has said it will not take any more Dreamliners for the time being. Nevertheless, the 787 has always been part of the Qantas plan to replace the 747. Although the 787-9 carries far fewer passengers than the 747, in a post-COVID world this is not necessarily a bad thing. The additional economy of the modern Dreamliner will make it more efficient to operate, and the extra range of the twinjet, 8,313 nautical miles versus 7,236 nautical miles for the 747, will give Qantas more flexibility on routes. The Dreamliner certainly isn't as glamorous or as iconic as the Queen, but it's a good modern aircraft that will be able to cover the 747's routes with ease. Qantas picked the A350 for its future long-haul needs back in December 2019. Not only would these flagship aircraft take the lead on Qantas's key routes, but they would also become the landmark transport to take on the hotly anticipated non-stop Sydney to London flights, otherwise known as Project Sunrise. However, when the order was placed, Qantas had no idea what was just around the corner. The impact of COVID has shattered Qantas's hope of launching the ultra-long-haul flights anytime soon and has delayed the official confirmation of the A350-1000 order. The airline had been expected to order 12 A350-1000s in March and could have ordered more later in the year. However, that's all been put on ice given the current situation. Right now, the hope of an A350 order this year is somewhere between slim and none. Although Qantas CEO Alan Joyce spoke positively of Project Sunrise last month, the airline has bigger issues to manage right now. Qantas has confirmed it will ground 100 of its planes for at least 12 months in a bid to reduce costs by more than $10 billion to weather the COVID crisis. The A380s will be shelved potentially until 2023. Furthermore, new deliveries have been deferred for the foreseeable future. For now, the only replacements for the 747s are the Dreamliners, potentially in combination with Qantas's fleet of A330s. The A350 may become a part of the fleet in the future, but not for some time. Will you miss the Qantas 747? Is the Dreamliner a suitable replacement? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the Simple Flying channel and be sure to click the notification bell.